Hello my darling rays of sunshine, and welcome to today's video. It's a nice chill video, just a sit back relax kind of one, where I just pack up a few commissions to go off to their respective homes across the world. It's always so exciting to be able to send these paintings to their new owners, so they get to see them not just through Instagram or through photos, and I love that feeling. So it's nice and peaceful, this video. I'll let you get on and watch and chip in and out when I have something that might be relevant. But other than that, just enjoy, and I'll see you in a bit. So with every commission I like to send out a few freebies. I like to put in a postcard. For at the minute I have these colouring whales available. I also send out a bookmark. I always include a business card, and I always, and my favourite part is handwriting a little personalised message to say thank you for the commission. Also, all of my commissions at the moment are coming with a 10% off voucher, which applies to my web store. I'll link my website below if you want to, sign up for a commission, or if you want to purchase anything from my shop. It'll all be in the description, so you can come and check me out. The little colouring postcards I have at the moment, that whale especially, I am giving away to everyone who signs up to my Patreon as well. The offer is limited, it won't last forever, but if you do fancy coming to support me, click on the link below and join my Patreon. I have a few tiers, and the cheapest one is less than the price of a monthly latte or a coffee if you go to a coffee shop. So it's super cheap, and you can have access to a bunch of behind the scenes stuff. My Discord is available there as well, so you can come and join the little art community that I've got building up. But yeah, if you want to check any of those things out, they'll all be in the description below, and I'd love to see you around. Now with this commission, there was a weird technical issue where I didn't get notified that she'd paid, so as a result I ended up sending out this commission way later than I meant to, and I felt so bad. So I made sure to include this little mini set of stickers as an apology, just because it was my fault. I didn't see that she'd paid, and I want to make everything, right if a mistake happens. So hopefully she'll like those little stickers included in the commission. So that's it from me today. It's been an absolute pleasure making this video and having you watch it. I appreciate it so much. So yeah, thank you. If you want to come support me, just drop below and check out my Patreon, check out my Instagram. It'd be lovely to see you around. And yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you soon.